In my over 5 years of unprofitability in the Forex markets, this one simple trading strategy changed the game for me. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing that secret with you all for free. Let's get to it. Come to your gold charts for the New York Open and mark out the first 15 minutes candle high and low for the day. Now, this is my XAUUSD chart, and I've marked out my first 15 minutes candle for the New York Open high and close, and this is a 5 minutes time frame. The next thing you need to do is to wait for a 5 minutes candle to break and close outside of the zone. We don't just need the candle to break, but we need it to close outside of the zone. That means the body of the candle needs to close outside of the zone. As we can see, we've seen a wick that broke outside of the zone, but we want to see a body close outside of the zone. Please always remember to wait for the candle to fully form. Let the first 5 minutes candle fully form and break outside of the zone before executing the trade. And now this is the second candle that is pushing outside of the zone, but we need to wait and see if we will get a body close outside of the zone. Now, one of the secrets to being a profitable trader is your ability to sit and be patient and wait for the market to play out, thereby confirming all your checklist had been met before executing a buy or a sell order. You don't just jump into the chart and just imagine you're supposed to be doing something. Not doing anything is actually doing something in the markets. So you need to learn how to be patient and wait for your checklist to be complete. Now, the first checklist was to mark out the first 15 minutes high and low, which has been done. The second checklist is to wait for our first 5 minutes candle that is going to break outside of the zone, either to the up or to the down, and we've gotten that. Once we get that, is to execute our sell order because it broke below the zone, and our stop loss is going to be above the resistance points that took the candle down to the other side, which we've done, and we'll mark out our 1:2 risk to reward ratio. That keeps us consistent because for every $1 we'll be risking, we'll be making $2. For every $100 we'll be risking, we're making $200 in profit. Mind you, you're not going to be profitable every single trade. Not every single trade is going to make positive results, but when you give it a good risk to reward ratio, it simply means if you lose a trade today and you make a winning trade the next day, you're either going to be break even or you'll be profitable at the end of the day. It helps keeps you consistent. So let's see how this trade plays out. Now we are gradually getting a push to the downside. Let's see if the momentum is going to continue in that direction. Remember, being patient is key. Being patient is key. We need to sit and wait and allow the market to play out. As far as our checklist is complete, all we need to do next is to wait. And that's exactly what we're doing. We drop contents like this daily, and if you want to learn how to be a profitable trader and how to execute trades in the live markets during live market conditions, do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, and like on this video and share it to a friend who is still struggling to make profit and be profitable. And tell us in the comments what topic you want us to treat next, and let's see if this trade is going to give us our profits or if we're going to take a L. And this is it, we are home.